map is shown here at left. I chose the high severity map just to sort of make the colors pop out a little bit more. This is for a particular location in which some of the Jamestown S'Klallam tribal members live. It's a low-lying delta area, and also an area that's considered to be ecologically important for a lot of the treaty-protected resources that the tribe relies on. You know, things like forage fish that spawn on beaches, things like crab, and so this area was of concern to the tribe. And essentially on our maps we created two layers. We have a dark purple area there that's meant to represent the estimate of the location of the new mean high water shoreline, simply mapped in a bathtub kind of inundation style map right over the existing landscape, which is derived from LIDAR data, in this case collected in 2012 by FEMA. And then the light purple is meant to sort of convey that area that would be intermittently potentially impacted by coastal floods associated with storm surge events. So these maps were utilized in a vulnerability assessment adaptation planning process. In my view, it was a fairly simplistic approach towards estimating sea level rise. You know, there was definitely, I would have liked to have seen a more rigorous approach towards dealing with uncertainty, for example, integration of the flood probabilities in sort of a more rigorous manner. But despite all those shortcomings, these maps were received very well by the folks from the community that were involved in this vulnerability assessment adaptation planning process. They included natural resource managers, planners, elders, community members, and they sat down with these maps, and they proved to be very useful in terms of identifying infrastructure that might be at risk over a variety of timelines. And the nice thing about